This one is the Neosoft CT scan, and the model is classic. And we have a movement here, the button for our gantry to move down and move up and tilt down, and the position of our CT scan head. And this is the main unit of our CT scan, and this portion is the generator. Okay, so it's ours. Non-contact, okay, stabilizer. This one. Monitor the voltage and the ampere of our machine. And this one is the single power, the injector for the patient. Yes. And use of injector. Here's the room. Vlog. This is a vlog. And the computer area. Bulag.
Yan yung pagkakati ng vlog. Vlog. Yun yung vlog.
Vlogag.
Vlogag.